We'll be putting a double denim backup camera in a 2006 Ford Explorer. Let's get to it. All right, so trying to get this radio out, factory radio. You have to remove the center console, right? So you flip back the armrest. It'll be two 932 screws right here. Basically, you just take those out, unplug the cigarette lighter, and you can just pull up from the back, and the entire center will come out. You know, you'll probably have to drop the gear down a little bit, but drop the gear down, pull that out, and then this all comes out in one piece, right? So I'm gonna drop the gear down one more time. I'm not even gonna unplug this because I don't even want to mess with that. And you know, you can't really unplug the passenger airbag light, or the airbag light, while the car is on, so I'm gonna leave that plugged up. So I'm gonna just throw that back in, and then it's gonna be 4 932 screws right here as well. Unloosen those, and you got your factory radio. So it's 1, 2 connectors and an antenna. So take those out, get back to it. All right, y'all. So I was wrecking my brain on this backup camera because the backup light wasn't giving any voltage. They said it was a wire down here in the kick panel that was supposed to be light brown and blue that was supposed to give the signal. That didn't work either, so passing this info along. 2006 to 2010 Ford Explorer, reverse gear signal, right? Under the driver's side dash, there is a fuse box, right? So cover looks like that. Take that cover off, and you are going to want to tap fuse 15, which is a 10 amp fuse. And as you see, I just got it in there right now, testing it to make sure that it worked, but that is what you need. So I hope that helps somebody out. This is the finished product, looking beautiful. Backup camera, display perfect, beautiful, beautiful.